See it just after sunset tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
Talk about the pressure here in the Weather Center. We are going to be seeing potentially clearer skies by Monday evening, but we have a lot to get to before we get to some clear conditions. So for tonight, heavy rain is moving in, and that's going to stick around for Monday, as well as some breezy winds. With the heavy rain, flood watch continues through Monday evening for landslide potential as well as river flooding. And of course, what everyone has been looking at and focusing on are the chances of snowflakes. Light accumulation expected. I'm going to break down exactly that forecast coming up in just a moment. But let's take a look at this evening. Pretty wet out there. Our next front is pushing in pretty warm conditions. This is part of the warm front, bringing us plenty of rainfall. Starting to see a little bit more snow up into the Cascades as well. Through the rest of tonight, KIRO 7 Pinpoint Future Track, you're going to see mostly rain. Overnight lows are going to be very mild. We're currently in the 40s. We'll drop a few more degrees tonight. That's going to play an important role in tomorrow's snowfall. Now, by Monday morning, we still are pretty warm out here. We're going to start to see cooler air pushing in by midday. Notice you start to see a few snowflakes popping up around Port Angeles. This is the most likely spot to see some snowflakes. Throughout the day, as the low slowly starts to sag further south, more of that cold air is going to move in. Chances of snow up towards Bellingham into the Cascade foothills. Then by Monday evening, chances move further south, mainly away from the water. Not a whole lot of snow is expected, but look at this as we head later into Monday evening, a little bit more clearing for that Christmas star. But let's talk more about the snow possibility. So again, the timing of this mostly into the afternoon and evening. Most likely locations up north towards the peninsula, Bellingham, Whatcom County, and up into the foothills. Around trace to 2 inches. Most likely everyone will see a snowflake, but it's going to be a pretty short event, and the temperatures of the ground are going to be warm. So if anything does stick, most likely for the grass and the roofs around the home. But coming up in the next half hour, I'm going to break more details into locations. Winds tomorrow. This plays an important role as well. Pretty gusty tomorrow coming from the south, bringing warmer air. Through the afternoon time, things start to change, bringing in that cooler air from the north. So temperatures will start to cool down Monday evening. Temperatures tomorrow, though, again, highs in the upper 40s. Pretty mild conditions for any snow to really stick around. We do cool down Tuesday into Wednesday as more sunshine returns midweek.
Unusual forecast. So let's turn to something we kind of take for granted.